Back home in Britain, there was a struggle of another kind, man and motor against the elements. With surprising speed, it snowed, settled, drifted, and threw the country into the usual chaos. A white blanket stretched the length and breadth of the nation. Trains, traffic, everything was delayed. Gas pressure went soaring in some places and slumping in others. Roads became treacherous skid paths, a motorist nightmare. Public transport managed to cope reasonably well in most cases and showed the resourcefulness of some bus crews, especially in country regions. It was no picnic being on the roads before the gritting and sanding vehicles put in an appearance. But though the snow brought treacherous roads and hardship, it had another aspect, which most of us were too busy to notice.